Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Nafiza Medishan. I am a student of AIB. My department is CSC. This is my fourth semester and my ID number is 224652221. Now we will giving a presentation about fire alarm and automated sprinkler system. Introduction. A fire alarm security system is an essential part of any building's safety plan. These systems are critical for avoiding property damage and injuries because they are made to detect fires and warn residents to leave the building. In order to direct, notify, and react to potential fires, fire alarm security system often combine of sensors, alarms, and control panels. For this project, we need some components. These are a transistor, a triple head timer, a AND gate, a battery, a buzzer, two capacitor, a diode, two green LED, two red LED, a motor, a relay, and six resistor.
Assalamualaikum. My topic is transistor, 555 timer, and gate and battery. Now I'll discuss you about transistor. A transistor is a semiconductor device that can amplify or switch electronic signals. It is commonly used as a switch uh, in electronic circuits in the context of fire alarm and automated sprinkler systems. A transistor can be used as a part of the circuit that controls the activation of the alarms or sprinkles. Now I will discuss about 555 timer. The 555 timer is a popular integrated circuit that can be used in a wide range of electronic circuit. The 555 timer was invented by Hanser. In the context, the 555 timer can be used to generate a timing signal that triggers the alarm or sprinkler system. In a case of a fire, the 555 timer can be conjugated as a monostable. I will discuss about AND gate. In the context of fire alarm and automated sprinkler system, AND gates can be used to control the activation of the system. And AND gate is a digital logic gate that produce and output signal only when all of its input signal are high. Now I will discuss about battery. Batteries play an important role in fire alarm and automated sprinkle system as they provide backup power in case of a power outage. A battery is a electromechanical device that stores electrical energy in the form of chemical energy.
Hello sir, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ujjay Ghosh and here is my part starts with the topic buzzer. A buzzer is understood as a device that creates an audible tone under the influence of an external voltage. Also, the buzzer device is a sounding device that can convert audio into sound signals. It is usually powered by DC voltage and it is widely used in alarms, computers, printers, and other electronic products as sound devices. So here is my next topic, capacitor. A capacitor is created out of two metal plates and an insulating material called a dielectric. So it has a working principle that the capacitance of a conductor increases appreciably when an earth conductor is brought near to it. And here is my next topic, diode. A diode is a semiconductor device that essentially acts as a one-way switch for current, and also there are various types of diodes like them diodes, rectifiers, etc. And here is my next slide about LED. So LED stands for light emitting diode. LED lighting products produce light up to 90% more efficiently than an incandescent light bulbs. Samsung red bulbs, red LED have the lowest voltage and the green LED have a higher voltage. So this was my part and my another equipment will present now. Thank you so much, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Muhammad Saiful Alam. Today I am going to present over the components of fire system, which are motor or a sprinkler, a resistor, and a relay. For the motor or a sprinkler part, a sprinkler is a head or component of a fire sprinkler system that discharges water when the effects of fire have been detected. The sprinklers activate when the surrounding air reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The sprinkler sprays water over nearby flames, either totally exhausted them or in most situations reducing the heat or maximizing the buildup of harmful smoke until the fire base arrives. For the next part, we have relay. Relay is a kind of switch that allows the circuit to be switched on by electrical equipment. A relay is a switch that opens or closes electromechanically and allows the fire control alarm control unit to operate emergency control functions. Then we have resistor. A resistor is an electrical component that limits or regulates the electrical current in electronic circuit. The resistors are almost always used by fire zones because the fire detectors are normally open and closed by open, tripping, or activation. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Muntasir Maruf. Now I will be explaining the circuit diagram and simulation of our project. This device is made of a battery, a 555 timer, an AND gate, some resistors and capacitors, a transistor, a diode, a relay. And to indicate the state of this device, there are some LEDs, a buzzer, and a motor which represents the sprinkler. The smoke and heat sensors are represented by these logic toggles. The 555 timer in this circuit is connected in a monostable mode, as there are one resistor and capacitor at the end of the resistor is connected to the discharge and threshold. As long as there is a high input in the trigger, the timer will give an output. So how does this device works? When there is only smoke or only heat or no heat and smoke, the output of the AND gate will be 0. So the trigger will be 0 and there will be no output of the timer. Then the transistor will work as an open circuit and the current will flow from the battery to this connection of the relay to the green LED, which indicates that the device is on. Whenever the sensor detects heat and smoke at the same time, like this, it gives a high input to the trigger, which turns the timer on, giving a high value at the output, which turns the transistor as a closed circuit. Then the current from the battery flows through the relay and switching the path of the circuit to the red LED, buzzer and sprinkler, turning them on. So this is how our fire alarm and automated sprinkler system works. This is very effective in putting out fire automatically before the situation gets out of control. Thank you for watching. Here is the full simulation once again.
A fire alarm security system is an essential investment for any structure or institution, whatever it is, a home or commercial building. A fire alarm system can avert fatalities and measure property damage by warning people of a fire outbreak. To guarantee that the fire alarm system works well in emergency, it is essential to make sure it is installed properly, checked often, and maintained. To guarantee complete protection against flames and other possible dangers, fire alarm security systems should be connected with other security systems. In conclusion, we can say that making the sensible choice to invest in a dependable and well-maintained fire alarm security system may offer priceless safety and peace of mind to our building. Thank you so much for watching our video.